Your new Imaginext Monsters University.
All right.
Open it up.
It's the Child Detection Agency. Wonder if it detects you.
Actually, yes, it do.
It does? All right, let's open it up.
AC villain, that's a police clock.
Oh.
Let's close it up. Let's put the policeman inside it.
Policeman goes in here.
Yeah, that's his police clock. And this,
Let's see what happens whenever we do the spinny thing. I don't know what happens. Oh, it grabs people.
let's grab the bad guy with it. Your go.
Ah! No! Ah! Alright guys, let's put him in the back.
No, the police got me. That's the Baron police. Yes, I'm the Mad police. And the Mad police. No,
Oh no, you're stuck back there. Is there any more bad guys?
Yes, me.
I'll help you catch the bad guy. Oh, thanks, Spiderman.
Kid me. Just never get away.
Oh, let's put him in the back now.
Yes.
Oh, that dino's gonna be hard to catch.
He got me.
Alright, let's see if we can fit him in the back. Oh, the dino's too big. We'll just close his tail in there. Ouch, that hurts. Oh no, Joker's got it. What are we gonna do now? We have to get the child detection vehicle from Joker. Oh no! Lex Luthor, ouch!
You're the pirate. I can't go to police. Help! Yeah.
Oh, good job, policeman.
Get out of my police clock. I cried on my bed
Get
on
him out of there. Oh, good job, policeman. Way to save the day. Ooh, I could surf on this. Oh yeah, look at that. Ouch!